up, everybody? So just a quick little note in celebration of the Go Little Garage launching and those videos getting released. We have several Lego kits to give away.
At 100 subscribers, we'll be giving away a Speed Champions Ferrari F40 Competizione. This is kit number 75890. It has 198 pieces and it is retired. At 250 subscribers, we'll be giving away Speed Champions Mercedes-AMG F1 W12 E-Performance and Mercedes-AMG Project 1. This is kit number 76909 and it has 564 pieces. At 500 subscribers, we'll be giving away the Lego Technic Jeep Wrangler, kit number 42122, and this has 665 pieces. At 750 subscribers, we'll be giving away a Creator Expert Ford Mustang, kit number 10265. This has 1,471 pieces, and it's retiring soon, if it hasn't already by the time this video comes out. And last but not least, at 1,000 subscribers, we're giving away the Lego Icons Porsche 911. This is kit number 10295, and it has 1,458 pieces.
So yeah, if you would like one of these kits, definitely like and share with your friends, and make sure they subscribe and help us get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And we have a bunch of giveaways along the way. See you in the next one.
Thank you.